Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing awesome. In today's video, I'll show you how to evolve Eevee into Sylveon in Pokemon Go. Sylveon is one of the fairy type evolution and really strong for battle. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to get it, and let's get started with the video. First, make sure you have an Eevee and at least 25 Eevee candies. Now that there are two methods to get Eevee evolution to Sylveon in Pokemon Go. One method is body hearts method. Set Eevee as your Pokemon body through here, choose body, on 70 body hearts with that Eevee. This means feeding, walking, battling and playing with it. Once you get 70 hearts, the Eevee or evolve button will show an Sylveon silhouette. Tap it and you will get Sylveon. Another is the nickname trick. If you haven't used it yet, rename your Eevee to Kira, then evolve it and it will turn into Sylveon the first time guaranteed. There is a tip for you. The nickname trick only works once per account, so save it for a special Eevee with good stats. And that's it guys, now you know how to get Sylveon in Pokemon Go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and share with your friends who love Pokemon Go. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.